Students, now let us see a word problem. So, in word problem, we come across the same type of operations like addition and subtraction. So, the thing is only that the problem or the sum is given to us in words. Now, I will read out this word problem to you and let us see how to solve it. So, you can see here, Priya buys 1 liter 500 milliliter milk in the morning. So there is a girl whose name is Priya. She buys 1 liter and 500 milliliter of milk in the morning time and 1 liter 250 milliliter milk in the evening. So she buys milk in both the times, in the morning as well as in the evening. In the morning she buys 1 liter 500 milliliter of milk and in the evening she buys 1 liter 250 milliliter of milk. And the question they have asked us is how much milk does she buy in total. So we have to find out how much milk does Priya buy in total during the day, that is in the morning and in the evening. So if we want to find out the total, then we have to do the addition. But since this is a word problem, we need to take care of few steps. The first thing is we have to write whatever is given in words, then we have to do the calculation, and at last we have to write the answer in words. So let us start solving this problem. So here you can see on this side I am solving the problem. So what is known to us, that are things we have to write first. So we know that she buys milk 2 times in a day. So milk bought in the morning. So she buys some milk in the morning. Milk bought in the morning is equal to 1 liter 500 milliliter. Then we will write milk bought in the evening. Milk bought in the evening is equal to, so how much is the milk bought in the evening? It is 1 liter 250 milliliter. So 1 liter 250 milliliter. Now we have to find out the total. So we will add it. First I will make 2 columns, that is liter and milliliter. First is 1 liter and 500 milliliter, and in the evening it is 1 liter 250 milliliter. Now I will add both these. First I will add the smaller unit, that is milliliter. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and this 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total milk that Priya buys during the whole day is 2 liter 750 milliliter. So this is our answer, but since it is a word problem, we have to write the final answer in words. So I write, so Priya buys how much milk? It is 2 liter 750 milliliter in the whole day, or we can say during the whole day. So Priya buys 2 liter 750 milliliter milk in the whole day. Right, students? So this is the way how you have to solve a word problem. You have to write all the things which are given in the question. Then you need to solve the sum, and the final answer should be written again in words. Students, here we are going to see one more word problem. So see the question. The capacity of petrol tank in a car is 20 liter 500 milliliter. So the car is having a petrol tank inside it, and the capacity of the tank is, that is we can fill total 20 liter 500 milliliter of petrol in it. But right now it contains 15 liter 100 milliliter petrol. So we have to find out how much more petrol can it take. So we are knowing the total capacity of that tank, and they have also given us how much right now is present in that tank. So we have to find out how much more petrol we can put into the tank. So we can find out this by doing the subtraction. So what are the things that we need to write? So capacity of petrol tank in the car is equal to 20 liter 500 milliliter. Then we will write quantity of petrol that is contained in the tank. It is 15 liter 100 milliliter. And so now when we subtract this 15 liter 100 milliliter from 20 liter 500 milliliter, we will get to know about the quantity of petrol that can be added to the tank. So here you see from 0, 0 we subtract, we get 0. Here to the same, from 0 we subtract 0, so we get 0 again. From 5 we subtract 1, we get 4 over here. Here we have 20 minus 15. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we borrow 1 from here. So this 2 gets cancelled and 1 remains over here. Then this becomes 10. From 10 we subtract 5, we get the answer 5. And from this 1 we subtract 1, so answer is 5. That is, we can add 5 liter 400 milliliter of petrol into the tank so that the tank gets full. Finally, the answer is written. Hence, 5 liter 400 milliliter more petrol can be added to the tank. So this is the way how we solve the word problems. Students, this is exercise number 3 from your maths textbook, page number 116. So example 1 and example 2 from exercise 3 you are going to do on yourself. This is example number 3. So you can see here, Nidhi bought 3 liter 700 milliliter of milk and Jyoti bought 2 liter 500 milliliter of milk. The question is, who bought more milk and how much more? So when you are solving a word problem, we need to write the things that are given. So what will I write? I will write Nidhi bought milk. So how much Nidhi bought milk? She bought 3 liter 700 milliliter. Right, students? And Jyoti. So Jyoti bought milk which is equal to 2 liter 580 milliliter. So the milk that Nidhi brought is more than the milk that Jyoti brought. So now we have to find out how much milk did Nidhi bring more than Jyoti. So if I subtract the milk that is brought by Jyoti from the milk that is brought by Nidhi, I will get the answer how much more. So I will subtract it. Here you can see I make 2 columns, liter and milliliter. 3 liter 700 milliliter minus 2 liters 580 milliliters. Now let us solve this sum. 0 and 0, they do not have any value, so 0 again. From this 0, I can't subtract 8. So I will borrow 1 from this 7. This will become 10 and this 7 will become 6. So from 10, if I subtract 8, the answer will be 2. And from this 6, I will subtract 5, the answer will be 1. So here the part of milliliter gets completed. Now let's move on to the liter. So when I subtract 2 from 3, I get answer 1. So Nidhi has brought 1 liter 120 milliliter of milk extra than Jyoti. So I will write the answer now. Hence, who has brought extra? It is Nidhi. Nidhi has bought 1 liter 120 milliliter milk more than whom? Than Jyoti. So you have to solve this sum word problem in this manner. First write the given things, then solve the sum and write the final answer in words.